Today, I'll show you how to view GitHub commit history. Commit history shows the changes made to a repository over time. It helps you see who changed files, when the changes were made, and what was added, edited, or removed. First, open GitHub and log in to your account. Now go to the repository where you want to view the commit history. On the main repository page, look near the top of the file list. You should see a link that shows the number of commits, such as 100 commits or last commit. Click the commits link. GitHub will now open the commit history page. Here you can see a list of commits in order with the newest commit at the top. Each commit usually shows a message, the author, the date, and a short commit ID. Click any commit message to view more details. GitHub will show which files were changed in that commit. Green lines show code or text that was added. Red lines show code or text that was removed. This makes it easier to understand exactly what changed. If you want to check the history of one specific file, open that file in the repository, then click History near the top right of the file view. GitHub will show only the commits that affected that file. You can also view commits from a specific branch. Open the branch dropdown, choose the branch you want, then click the commits link again. If you use Git on your computer, you can also view commit history from the terminal by running git log. And that's it. You now know how to view GitHub commit history. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.